we go. The SBA. Here we go. The SBA. Let's go! SVA! I'm under it. Let's go! SVA, baby! I'm under it. Why you're not going off?
And New York Harbor. Remember, a severe
Let's
thunderstorm
go!
means that conditions are favorable for the
SVA.
development of severe weather, including large hail and
Wow.
damaging winds in and close to the watched
Let's
area.
go!
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain
Severe
alert for
thunderstorm
rapidly
watch.
changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
It's right over
Stay
there.
tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet
Let's
sources
go.
for the latest
SVA.
severe weather information.
Let's go!
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles.
Wow!
Dense fog advisory in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Small craft advisory in effect through late tonight.
Wow!
For this afternoon, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts to 25 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet. Wave detail, southeast 4 feet at 4 seconds and southeast...
Oh my god, bro, let's go!